How to upload videos on YouTube beginners tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to upload videos on YouTube. So let's get started. This is going to be a complete tutorial for you guys if you are wondering how to upload videos on YouTube and start your own channel. So let's get into it. First of all, you will get to youtube.com, which is a video sharing platform, and we can create different videos on YouTube. In order to upload videos on, you require a YouTube channel. Creating a YouTube channel is really easy. You can just sign in with your Google account, and after that you can click on your channel and you have to give your channel a name. You can give it a name like any niche you want to go for. You can select a name, you can upload the logo, upload a cover image too, and customize your channel. You can see I have a very simple channel that I created with my account, and I'll show you how to upload a video. In order to upload video, we have to actually go to the creator studio that we get on YouTube. So you just have to scroll down right here and you will find creator studio. Again, Creator Studio is available once you have created a channel. Click on Creator Studio and it will open up studio.youtube.com. Alright, so this is our main channel dashboard, and you can see we have different options. We have dashboard, content, playlist, analytics, comments, subtitle, copyright, monetization, settings, and more. And then we have the upload option here, upload videos, current analytics, like the subscribers you have, summary, and then we have this upload video option too. So I'm going to click on this upload option right here, and you can see drag and drop file that you want to upload, and this is where you will just simply select a file from your computer, any kind of video that you have created, to upload. So I have selected a file from my computer. The file can be MP4 and it can be a video file, not an image file. So here now we have details. You can see we have 4 steps. We have details, video elements, checks, and visibility. First of all, we have details. In details, you can see my video is processing and you can see the processing time here, but we can, add different details. First of all, title. So let's give our video a title of how to upload videos. So this is how you enter a title, and you can add any kind of words you want to. Make sure it's not longer than 100 words. So you can see right here, this is our title. Description. Description is also really important when it comes to uploading a video on your channel. So in description, you can write whatever you want to. So I'm just going to write, in this tutorial, and you can write whatever you want to. For example, in this tutorial, we will show you how to upload videos, and you can also add some of the tags. And this is what I will actually suggest by adding hashtags. So click on hashtag and then enter what you want to go for. So I can enter a hashtag of YouTube. So this is going to be a hashtag. Then add the hashtag of your channel name so that the video is linked to your channel and your channel can actually get higher results, and it improves your SEO. So once the hashtags are added, what you're going to do is you will just enter the description. Then we have thumbnail. So this is where you will upload an image. So I'm going to click on upload thumbnail. This is going to be a picture that your graphic designer or you created. And you can select any of the shots that you have from your video. So you will upload the thumbnail here. Then we have playlist. If you have playlist on YouTube, you can select from here and you can divide your videos into different playlists. For now, I'm not gonna add this video to a playlist. You can see my video is actually processed and it's uploaded. Now we have audience. So in audience, if this video is made for kids, if it's a kids related video, you will select yes, it's made for kids. But if it is not specified to kids, then you can select no, it's not made for kids. So this is the option that you will go for. Click on age restriction and you will be able to see, yes, restrict my video to viewer over 18. No, don't restrict my video to viewers over 18. So this is the simplest videos that we upload on YouTube. No, it's not made for kids. And then you can select no, don't restrict my video to viewers over 18. Once you're done, you have to click on show more. In show more, we have paid promotion. My video contain paid promotion like a product placement, sponsorship, or endorsement. So if there is a paid promotion, you will select this option. Then we have automatic chapters. If you want to allow YouTube to add automatic chapters to your video, then you can select allow, or you can uncheck this. Allow automatic places. Again, this is a similar option. Then we have tags. Tags can be useful if content in your video is commonly misspelled. Otherwise, tags play a minimum role in helping viewers to find your video. So what will happen is we can add different tags in order to help us with the SEO of our video. How to get the tags? Well, for this, I have a very easy method for you. We can add up to 500 tags. So what you can do is you can go to Google and search for rapid tags. Open up the website for rapidtags.io. Get your title, what you have. Okay, so I'm just going to copy the title. And we're going to paste it here. It's a free platform, online platform. Paste your title, click in the search bar, and it will give you different tags for YouTube. This is perfect. So we have the copy option here. You can see, click on copy. These will be copied. So you just have to scroll down to tags here and paste. There you go. We have tags now. And these are all organic tags for YouTube. In languages, you will select the video language. My video language is going to be English, so we can select English from here. I'm going to select English, United States. Caption certification, if you have any, you can add. Recording date and location, you can add to. Then we have license. It's going to be standard license. Then we have allow embedding and publish to subscriptions feed or notify the subscribers. So we're going to select this option. If you want to uncheck this one, you can do that. And then we have short sampling. Allow people to sample this content. I do not want to allow people to do that. And category. This is important. So I have uploaded a tutorial video. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go with science and technology. There are different categories available. Core, comedy, entertainment, gaming. Then we have music, how-to, and style, news and politics. So we can also go with how-to, or we can go with technology. So we have added all the details we wanted to, and I think it looks good. Now you have to click on next, and you can see our video is uploaded. Click on next. We have video elements, add subtitles. If you want to add end screen. So at the end of the video, if you have a screen created for your previous videos and for subscription, you can add the end screen. Then we have add cards, promote related content during your video. So you can add different elements. For now, I'm not going to add any of these. Click on next, and this is going to be a copyright check for the video, and you can see there is no issue found. So it says check. If there is any issue, they will let you know. Then the last step is going to be the visibility. We can publish a video on YouTube as a private video, unlisted video, or a public video. Now this is the one that we select in order to actually publish a video on YouTube. Or you can go with private. Only you and people you choose can watch your video. And then we have schedule, which is going to be select a date to make your video public. I'm going to go ahead and select this private for now and click on save. The video will be uploaded on YouTube this way. You can see the video has been uploaded. Where I can find it, I can actually go to the content now here, and you will be able to see this is the video that we just uploaded. We have our date. I'll be able to see the views and comments here. We can also go to the dashboard now, and it will show me the video that we just created. You will be able to get the analytics right here. Click on analytics, and it will show you the overview of your channel, content. Then we have audience and research. This way you can upload as many videos as you want on YouTube to start a successful channel. It's really easy to upload video, and I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.